Blessings, everyone. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we talk about the healing power of plants that nourish our bodies and feed our souls, straight from Jamaica and other parts of the world. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and I'm a 51-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. So, have you ever heard of a herb so bitter? It's called, quote-unquote, the king of bitters. Meet Andrographis, one of the most powerful medicinal plants that has been utilized since ancient times in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, where it has been used to treat an array of health issues. In today's video, we're diving into its incredible medicinal uses and benefits and why it's making waves in natural healing. Let's get into it. So Andrographis is the common name for a herb that is botanically known as Andrographis paniculate. In Jamaica, we commonly refer to it as rice bitters. In other parts of the world, it is also commonly known as king of bitters, kirata, and green chirata, among other common names. It was given the name king of bitters because of its intensely bitter leaves. Andrographis is native to India and Sri Lanka. It thrives in warm, humid regions and has been introduced to other parts of Asia, Africa, South and Central America, and the Caribbean. It usually grows to a height of about 2.5 feet tall, but in ideal conditions, it can get a little taller. Its stems are thin and square-shaped. It has bright green leaves that are narrow and pointed, about 2 to 12 centimeters long. Its flowers are small and tubular and almost white with purple streaks. They grow in loose clusters. Its seeds are tiny, brown, housed in slender pods that split open when mature. In Jamaica, it can be found growing wildly and organically in backyards, along roadsides, and in other green spaces. It's a very popular herb that is used in Jamaica and other traditional systems of medicine to treat several ailments. The plant has been researched and it was found to have numerous pharmacological activities such as antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral, antiprotozoan, so it can kill certain kinds of parasites, antipyretic, meaning it can reduce fevers, pain relieving, hypotensive, antithrombotic, meaning it can reduce the formation of clots, anti-cholesterol, anti-diarrheal, anti-ulcer, antioxidant, immunostimulant, anti-diabetic, anti-infective, meaning it can treat an infection, anti-HIV, anti-malarial, anti-angiogenic, meaning it can stop tumors from growing their own blood vessels, hepatorenal protective, meaning it can protect the liver and kidneys from damage, sex hormone / sexual function modulation, liver enzymes modulation, and insecticidal. The leaf extract has been studied and it was found that the powdered leaves have the ability to significantly shorten the duration of common colds, and that the leaves are as effective as paracetamol in relieving a fever and sore throat of people with pharyngitis and tonsillitis occurring together. The active compound in Andrographis is andrographolide. This increases bile flow, bile salts, and bile acids, and it stimulates the gallbladder and reduces gallbladder stones. Andrographolide has demonstrated a range of effects on immune function, which are thought to contribute to the herb's ability to support the body during viral infections, particularly the common cold. Beyond its immune boosting properties, andrographolide may also help protect the lungs from infection-related damage and exhibits certain antiviral activities. In traditional medicine, the parts of the plant that are used to make medicine are the aerial parts, which are the parts above the ground, roots, and the whole plant. It is sometimes employed alone or combined with other herbs and used internally or topically in the form of decoctions, infusions, extracts, juice, paste, or powder for a number of ailments. It's mostly used fresh and utilized within days of being harvested. The fresh leaves are sometimes chewed. Apart from the traditional uses of the actual herb, today supplements are made from it and used to treat respiratory infections and inflammatory infections. Andrographis has traditional and modern medicinal uses for the following health issues: cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, coughs, the common cold, infection of the throat and tonsils, bronchitis, influenza, pneumonia, tuberculosis, sinusitis, allergies, intermittent fever, wounds and cuts, boils, scabies, eczema, leprosy, skin diseases, diarrhea, constipation, intestinal gas, inflammation, colic, stomach ache, dysentery, dyspepsia, which is upper abdominal digestive disorders, gastroenteritis, peptic ulcer, ulcerative colitis, malaria, cholera, jaundice, enlarged liver, hepatitis, liver damage caused from medications, herpes, gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV/AIDS, dysmenorrhea, lower urinary tract infections, leukorrhea, leptospirosis, rabies, hemorrhoids, kidney issues, and it's also used to dispel toxins from the body. One of the most popular uses of Andrographis is for the immune system, specifically for treating the common cold, flu, and fever. It is believed that it stimulates the production of antibodies and activates our white blood cells, which are vital for immune response. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it useful in managing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. The leaves and stems are brewed as a tea and used to treat colds and to purge the blood. To treat a fever, a decoction of the whole plant is taken orally. To strengthen the body, treat a fever and itching, skin eruptions, an infusion or sap from the crushed leaves is employed. An infusion of the plant is taken to treat malaria, or the whole plant is mixed with water, strained and consumed. For gastric issues, a cup of the plant juice is taken in the morning. The leaf and black pepper are grounded together and consumed to treat dysmenorrhea. The leaf paste is consumed and used topically to treat abscesses. To treat eczema, the herb is made into powder, mixed with oil and applied to the skin, and the powder is taken internally. To treat skin diseases, a spoonful of the whole plant powder is taken daily, or the plant juice is applied topically. To treat a wound, the whole plant powder is boiled in coconut oil and strained. The oil is then applied topically after cleaning the wound. To treat an infected wound, the herb and turmeric is made into a paste and used topically, or the paste of the leaf is applied topically and the juice of the plant is consumed. To treat leukoderma, which is loss of skin pigmentation, the powdered herb is consumed. To treat jaundice, a water extract of the herb along with the stem bark extract of two other herbs, which are Azadirachta indica and Holorina antidysenterica, is consumed. To treat gonorrhea, the powdered herb is combined with oil and used topically, or the plant juice is used topically and the powdered herb is also consumed. The whole plant is employed in the treatment of snake bites, insect stings, dyspepsia, influenza, dysentery, malaria, and respiratory infections. The leaves are used to treat fever, colic pain, loss of appetite, irregular stools, diarrhea, the common cold, cough, fever, hepatitis, tuberculosis, mouth ulcers, bronchitis, gastrointestinal disorder, and sores. The aerial parts of the plant are used to treat the common cold, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, malaria, snake bites, and urinary tract infection. To treat acidity, the whole plant decoction is taken orally. The leaf or root decoction is employed to expel excess water and worms from the body, and to treat a stomach ache, dysentery, typhus, cholera, influenza, and bronchitis. For female disorders, dyspepsia, hypertension, rheumatism, gonorrhea, amenorrhea, torpid liver, and jaundice, pills or infusions are employed. To treat vitiligo, swollen legs or feet, and piles, a poultice is employed topically. Andrographis should be used in the form of a standardized extract. It is also available as a liquid tincture. When it is taken in the form of a tincture, it goes directly on your tongue, so no digestion is needed. Most of the clinical trials that were done use products standardized to 4 or 5 milligrams andrographolide per tablet. Depending on the form and specific product, the recommended dosage varies. Recommended dose for the tablets is 2 to 4, 3 times daily during the first few days of a cold. Andrographis supplements can be bought in herbal stores or online. To take a look at some of these products, please click on the links in the description below. It is advisable to speak to your medical doctor before using this herb or the supplement, especially if you have an underlying health issue or taking prescribed drugs. It's also advisable for you to work under the guidance of a qualified herbalist. This herb reduces fertility in both men and women and should be avoided during pregnancy and nursing. Andrographis is generally safe when used for short periods of time. Though uncommon, it can cause side effects in some people. These might include diarrhea, vomiting, skin rashes, headaches, fatigue, heart palpitations, loss of appetite, and dizziness. It may cause swollen lymph glands, serious allergic reactions, elevations of liver enzymes, and other side effects if it is used in high doses or for a long time. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your immunity and overall health, Andrographis might just be what you need. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried it or plan to, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who likes to learn about herbal medicine. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.